Like, high key, the Western media be making this thing sound real intense when it's just a bunch of people walking out on the street at the moment. Seems like life is going on as normal. I mean, you got regular shops, you got people in the street. Normal life. Iranian Hollywood has a James Bond Island movie. James Bond looks way cooler in the West. I don't know if I like Iranian James Bond. He seems a little too happy. James Bond Island. Definitely get a lot of looks with this camera. I don't know if this camera is very friendly. Okay, we're about to basically go around a square, which has a lot of police. So I'm gonna put my camera down